Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Tasdeep bin Murtuza. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but also study at Mohammadpur Model School and College. Today I am going to talk about the father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So, the life of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the saga of a great leader turning people power into an armed struggle that liberated a nation and created the world's 8th most populous state. The birth of the sovereign state of Bangladesh in December 1971, after a heroic war of 9 months against the Pakistani colonial rule, was the triumph of his faith in the destiny of his people. Sheikh Mujib, endearingly called Bangabandhu or friend of Bengal, rose from the people, molded their hopes and aspirations into a dream, and staked his life in the long battle for making it real. He was a true democrat, and he employed in his struggle for securing justice and fair play for the Bengalis. That's all.